Maths exam on 17th of February. Yes, dear class 10 students, I know some of you might be anxious, some of you might be scared, and some of you might be, I am not able to do that, students. Trust me when I say that. I always say this is the easiest exam of your life. Yes. When you will, after 10, 15, 20 years, look back and see, oh, I was damn scared in class 10th exam, and you will feel like, oh, it was the easiest one. Yes, because I feel the same right now. But there are students who score 70. There are people who score 90 plus. Do you know? It is not the difference of knowledge between the two. Rather, it is the difference of execution. There are certain strategies that you should know before the exam, right before the exam, during the exam, in the exam hall, and afterwards it's true. So students, welcome on the platform Diksha Vedantu. This is your faculty Tanvi Pauja. Today's video is going to be crazy for you because I am going to share you 5 exam hall hacks. These are not just exam hall hacks, pre-exam, exam hall, post-exam. Come on, let's talk about one of the, what we can say, biggest battlefield of India. We will talk about Mahabharata. Do you know? Arjun, everyone knows. It came the time when he was scared of the war, right? He was also like that, I don't want to do war. At that time, Lord Krishna stood beside him, okay? Ask him to hear Bhagavad Gita, which we also hear now. And after that, the confidence level in Arjun was different. I can't be your Lord Krishna. I can't tell you the Bhagavad Gita. But what I am going to tell you, I am pretty sure you will get the confidence. And I am pretty sure by this video, watching this video, your marks are going to improve. How? Let us talk about it. See, you lose marks because you are doing some silly mistakes that you usually do. You are losing marks because your presentation is not as par as the topper. Okay? Sometimes you are losing mark because of poor time management. Right? My dear student, this is not the time. This is not the time thinking about the depth of the syllabus, thinking about so many chapters, thinking about so much subjects. Rather, it is the time we should calm our mind and follow what I am going to tell you right now in the exam hall, because the confidence of the exam hall is the only thing that makes you a topper. Yes, because I remember one incident of my life. It was my class 12th maths paper. Okay, and somebody suggested me that go with the long question, a 5-marker question, it will save your time, and I did the same. I started the paper from the back side, did a 5-marker question, got stuck in that. Believe me, this is the story. Actually, imagine that scene. I started the question, neatly written section D, long answer question, 5-marker question, started the question, doing it very proper handwriting, good presentation, and I stuck in that question, the answer was wrong. I was unable to remember the solution. 1 cut, 2 cut, 3 cut, 4 cut, I lost my confidence. Because what I thought is the starting is so bad, how can I write the entire paper? This is the mistake majority of students are doing. Students, we will figure out how to solve that, but first hack is this, to scan the paper. Take a scanning time, whatever it is, take your 5 minutes apart from writing. Whenever you get the question paper, see, you get the answer copy, fill the details, do not wait for others writing over it. Fill the details once the bell rings, keep the copy aside, take out the paper. When paper is distributed to you earlier, it doesn't mean that you will look at the faces of other students right there. Don't look at them, you have nothing to do. You are a topper, you need to look at your copy and your paper. No one is going to tell you anything because they are also in the battlefield of their class 10th exam and they don't want you to be a topper. Getting my point? Either it be your friends or anyone. Okay? Focus on your paper, scan it, analyze which one you know the best. See all the MCQs, solve them in mind, okay? Marking is not allowed, but you can smartly do that. If you know. Okay, if you know, you know. So smartly do that. Solve all the MCQs, whichever easier can be solved in the mind. Scan the questions. Okay, this 5-mark question I have done. This is I have done. This is I have done. This I think that I may be confused in that. Scan it. Do not start with a question that you don't know. If whether it is the first question MCQ, if you don't know, do not give time on it. Spend 15 minutes and the rest paper will be destroyed. Do not. Move to the second one. In that scanning time, you need to figure out that this is the question I am confident at. These are the questions I can do by practice. These are the questions I'm not able to do it. I'll not touch them. I'll touch them in the end. Getting my point? This is what you need to do in the scanning time. Next one, write formula before the solution. Class 10 students, I discussed this with so many maths teachers today. I'm on call with maths teachers today from the morning, and what I got to know is students make this mistake. They know not to make it, but they do it. Whenever they see a question, okay, time is not there, lack of time, I'm not able to solve it, let's leave the question. Why? You know, formulas are free marks, literally they are. Okay? In the pre-exam time, right, the 5 days, 12, 13, 14, 15, what do you have right now? 16. Formulas of every chapter should be mucked up. Why? Whenever you see the question related to this formula, okay, find the surface area of this. Write the formula first, then start the solution. Given that this, put it in the, put all the units in the formula. It may be that your solution is correct. It have to be basically, but there are chances it can be wrong. You will get the marks of these formula because according to the marking scheme, we have seen the marking scheme, right? Entirely according to marking scheme, in that clearly half marks for formula, half marks for putting the units for there, half marks for more steps. Step-wise marking scheme is there. Do not leave a question. Do not leave it. Okay. So we know the second hack, and the third one is never skip steps in solution. This students are doing, right? These students are doing. What do you do? I'll tell you. So 15x, okay, is equals to 45. You are smart students. You know everything. X equals to 3. Directly you will write it. Students, don't skip the steps. Consider that the examiner who is checking your answer copy knows nothing. Do this. You know that the person knows nothing. Okay? But do not do this, right? X equals to 45 upon 15 and then x equals to 3. This is to be followed throughout the maths exam. Don't ever jump into the steps thinking that this will save my time. This will save your time, definitely, but will not save your marks, definitely. Okay? So follow this. And I know whatever I say, my students believe it. Okay? This is what you need to do as a hack number 3. Next is hack 4, that is time management. Students, you still have 4-5 days. Okay? Start practicing by solving mock test, by the sample papers, and figure out that whenever I'm doing an MCQ, I'll not give minutes more than 2 minutes. Right? Make it. If you are unable to solve an MCQ, like you are taking 10 minutes for that, it will definitely affect the length of your paper. 2 minutes for MCQ. One more rule is there. 7-minute rule for 5-marker question. Follow this. Okay? Because we want 15 minutes for your last revision. Revision here means revising your answer copy, that, okay, am I correct in all the things? Is it properly organized or not? What we need to check last minute, I want to tell you that at the last minute you need to check following things. First, all the sections are properly written. Okay, all the questions are attempted 1, 2. First thing now, whenever your paper completes, start from the copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sequence wise, I have written the questions or not. If anything is missed, we have to write it. Okay, getting my point? Next is, any question which I left not completed in half, need to cover in that time. Getting my point? Underlining the keywords, boxing the answers, okay, attaching the graph. These are so important things that you need the last 15 minutes for. Okay, so time managing from the starting, again I'll say that do not pick up the question that is difficult, because whenever you will do the difficult question in the starting, it will take you 15 minutes, you lose the confidence and you will feel anxious. You will spoil the rest of the question paper, what I did in my class 10th, and trust me when I say that I did it. I was blank for the whole entire 3 hours after that. I don't want my students to make the mistake that I did in my life. Next is exam hack number 5. This is the golden time. I'm talking about golden time. Golden time is the last time what to check, units return or not. This will deduct your half mark. Units return or not, plus minus sign errors, if done, make it correct. Sign error is a mistake we can't do in the last moment. Graph labeled x-axis, y-axis, coordinate written or not. Here the title given or not, pay attention to that. Okay, question numbers are correct. Arey, this is the biggest mistake. Class 10 students, question number along with the question you attempted, you need to check it. You need to check it because sometimes we write the question 5, solve the question 6, and I think some of you may have felt this in your life. Final exams boxed or final answers boxed or not exam is only going in my mind. Calculator style silly arithmetic mistakes, if you are doing it repeatedly, start correcting it right away, because this is the mistake major students do and we can't do that in the last time. Okay, get it? I'll give you one more thing. Pay attention. You have 5 days from today. What you need to do is to boost your confidence, do solve a mock test daily early in the morning. Throughout the day, analyze the pattern of mistakes you are doing, because now we need not to figure out what to study. Okay, we need to figure out what mistakes we are repeatedly doing. We can't do that anymore. Else, you want any help, your teacher is there with you. We are here with you 24/7. Comment down, you will get the response. Whatever difficulty you are facing right before the exam, tell me. Okay, so remember these 5 hacks, these exam hacks when you are going to attend your maths exam. Students, all the best. Take a deep breath right now along with me. Take a deep breath, close your eyes. Take a deep breath, say, I will do it. Repeatedly say, I will do it, I have to do it, I am going to do it. And this you also need to say in the comment section. And I believe that you trust on me, because we have trusted you throughout the year. I have a trust on you, you trust on me. Let's together make class 10th exam your easiest exam. Meet you soon in the next video, because we have to prepare for SST also. Up till then, bye-bye. All the best. I know you're going to rock your exam.